Tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern is either going to make or break for the short-term XRP and cryptocurrencies. You're probably wondering, why am I saying that? What is the purpose of me saying that for? The reason is because tomorrow we have the Fed meeting, and the Fed is going to announce a potential rate cut. They're going to be also announcing their future plans for rate cuts. But Trump has said that he wants to continue to bring rates down aggressively. He wants to bring interest rates down, which will be great, especially if you want to buy a home. That will also be very, very bullish for the crypto market and the stock market, because it will bring in a lot of extra liquidity into the market. Fed has kind of hinted that they are going to only be cutting rates 1 or 2 times this year, and based on the recent data, it may even suggest that they're going to probably cut more than they said that they were going to cut in December based on that data set. However, now that Trump is in office, he's going to be changing a lot of things, and he's probably going to be affecting and changing the Fed to some degree, probably in a very bullish way. So tomorrow, if the Fed pivots to some degree from what they've been saying, what they've been talking about, in a way that they are going to want to aggressively cut rates, bring rates down, that is going to be extremely bullish for the market, and that will surprise the market in a very bullish and extreme manner. That would pump cryptos massively, including XRP. However, if the Fed says something along the lines of, oh, we're not going to cut tomorrow, or oh, this is going to be our last cut for the year, maybe one more cut, that could be very bearish, and that could also spook and scare the market. The reason why we had that big sell-off in December was because the Fed hinted and the data hinted towards only cutting a couple of times this year in 2025. So this is very, very important for the next few weeks in cryptocurrency. Despite what happens tomorrow, cryptos are still overall bullish. Everything is still fine, and it's not going to affect cryptos too much. If the market is surprised and scared in a very bearish manner, it's going to affect the market for a couple of weeks. We're going to sell off, probably dump, and be quite bearish for a couple of weeks. We'll bottom out, and then we'll start pumping again. February historically is a very bullish month for XRP and cryptos, so I'm expecting February to be very, very bullish. I'm also expecting another strong pump in the crypto market within the next couple of months. Another very strong leg up. Things are kind of shaky right now, chopping. There's no real bullish trend in the market. Yes, cryptos did crash the other day and bounced up very strongly, XRP bouncing the strongest, but we're still chopping around. We're not actually trending. We're not actually breaking out, making new highs as of right now. Let's wait to see what happens for tomorrow. It's going to be absolutely crazy, and it might even be a non-event where nothing really crazy is going to happen. This is also a possibility. So it's not a time to panic or freak out, but it's to understand that tomorrow could be very, very important for cryptos, depending on what the Fed does, but it's going to give us insight into what they're going to be doing, especially now that we have Trump in office. Make sure you guys join the Patreon so you know exactly when I'm selling and buying cryptos. You guys can also follow all of my leverage trades where we are making massive profits. There's also going to be a meme coin launching very, very soon that you guys will get first access to before the public gets it if you are in the Patreon. Make sure you guys are also trading over on Blowfin, where you can get up to a $10,000 deposit bonus by signing up with my link below. And if you guys are going to be trading cryptos, make sure you are trading under my link under Blowfin, because you're going to have the cheapest fees in the world. I also highly suggest that you are using ALGOSNIPER Trading Indicator. This thing will tell you exactly when to sell, when to buy visually on a trading view chart. You will need a free trading view account. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. Check out the things in my video description to help you make money. I'll see you all later.